So I might as well show you and tell you a little bit about this crystal. So this was just a beautiful self-healed crystal that also happens to be coated with platinum, which means it's an angel aura quartz, or sometimes it's called an opal aura quartz. There are multiple names, but it's just quartz that has been put into a vacuum chamber and heated up to about 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, and then they pump in vaporized platinum, in this case platinum. Other aura quartzes use different metals, but this one has platinum, and then it actually adheres or bonds to the surface of the quartz. So some people don't like to use these for healing because they are technically altered. I personally do use them because I find that since they're still natural materials, we still have just quartz and platinum, which is a metal, right? I find that the energy on these is really nice. I like to use them for healing, but not everyone would agree, and that's totally okay. You know, do whatever resonates with you. But I did do a little bit of experimentation to find out about how the energy works in these quartz, and I'm not going to go into the whole experiment, but there is an article on my website. But I've always felt really, really good energy from these aura quartz, and I just wanted to know why that was. So I did a little bit of research and you know, as scientifically as possible, right? Because this is a very objective field. All we have are, or excuse me, a very subjective field. All we have are our own experiences. And so my experience with the aura quartz was that it was very powerful. And so I did some measuring with a pendulum basically to figure out why I was feeling what I was feeling, and I got some really interesting results. So if you have some time and you want to read that article later, I think you'd probably enjoy learning about some of what is discussed there.